Oh, now it's recording. You naughty. Good thing I checked it. Oh, the sun came out. It was cloudy a minute ago. I think I got everything going. All 3 cameras are going. Yep, confirmed. Thought I'd check out the construction today. Kind of excited for this to be 4 lanes. You know, more ways to race. Yep. Ouch. Man, they're digging that down. Sometimes I purposely stop sooner than I need to make sure the people behind me are paying attention. Especially since I've noticed her talking to her kids and showing them pictures on her phone. Ooh, can't wait for that to be multi-lane. Multi-lane, turning lane, all the lanes. Well, hopefully I can still turn up here at the next intersection. This is Mid-American, maybe putting up new poles just for fun. Man, a lot of new poles. I mean, they kind of need to. That one's not doing so hot. Oh man, that fell. Or it looks like. Did we really get that bad of winds during the last storm? This has got to be planned, right? I mean, they are tipped here and there, but there's no way that's from the storm. I mean, maybe it was. Okay, here we go. Hopefully everybody holds their lane. Oh, I love that sound. See how you do that? I'm sure that is a very well-known technique, but on a bike like this, it's very necessary. So what I did, I had cars coming, knew I could make it, but if I would have accelerated first and then started tipping, it would have been a real wide, slow turn. But instead what I did is I just tipped the bike like it's gonna fall over and then go. What are they doing here? Are we getting new poles? Oh no, this is MetroNet. Wait a minute, we can get MetroNet here? Interesting. Very, very interesting. I don't think I want MetroNet for my business, but whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. I think I want that to be my new sound effect when I see a police car.
Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police.
Think that'd be cool? Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop.
Ahhyeah.com. Oh wait, Ahhyeah vlogs. Ahhyeah motorcycle vlogs.
M109R vlogs.
M109R vlogs.
Motovlog. Motovlogger.
Motovlogger. Hashtag derecho.
Derecho.
Hashtag.
About to ride over your cable. That's okay. How's it going?
Good, you?
Good. Nice day, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Just headed to Jethro's for lunch.
Pictures of everything.
You have a YouTube channel.
How many cameras
You got
3.
that light. Oh, up there.
Here and 2 on the helmet. 1 going backwards, 1 going forward. Just in case. Go ahead.
Post up everything or just accidents and stuff?
All kinds of stuff. People talking, racing, accidents, just different things. My kids, whatever's going on. There's always something.
So does that make a lot of wind noise when you're going down?
I have an internal microphone, so I only use this microphone. That way they don't hear all the other stuff.
Looks kind of crazy.
Yeah.
I don't know how long on to YouTube, much less posted.
Probably could have fit there, but I probably could have snuck in there, especially sideways. Could have just put her in there sideways, but you know, the boys right there. That's who I'm eating lunch with, the boys. I think my GoPro is hitting my visor. Pretty sure it is. It's 3%, so whoops. I think my battery's old. And it says it has battery and then it dies. I got another one. Okay, I seem to be having some battery issues. Okay. Here we go. 93 degrees. Bike's in the sun. Let's have some fun. Let's go take her for a run. Oh yeah, at least it's only 47% humidity. Wow, this backpack is heavy. Usually I get on and I forget about it, and it actually makes me feel, it's kind of odd. It makes me feel like I'm wearing a seatbelt, which is not accurate at all. But it's just kind of like a feeling like I've always got my backpack on, so it always feels like I have something on. And when I don't wear it, I feel like I'm not wearing a seatbelt. It's actually worse probably to have the backpack on, because if I were to fall off, go down, or any other thing, it's going to slow me down considerably. Quite heavy at the moment. Oh, we got a muscle car broke down. Which is a this is insane. There's a Mustang right there broke down, and there's a Mustang right there. What? What are the chances? It's also odd that there's like, why are the other cars, there's like 2 other cars behind him. It's a nice classic right there. Some big rims. They're even like on the shoulder a little bit. Well, I'm kind of bummed that I didn't have my camera working coming back from lunch when I was romping and stomping with Mark on this bike. But I did grab an extra GoPro battery and put it inside my jacket. That way, you know, I should probably make sure it's charged. I don't think I've ever used it. But see, the frustrating thing is, the way the GoPro works is, in order to have the microphone, you have to have this external case that's called a media mod. And there's probably another way to adapt to it, but I think there's like this big blocky chunk thing that plugs in and converts it. But if you just use this case, it's got the adapter. Well, then you can use the same adapter to plug in and charge and transfer your files. So I just leave my helmet on the counter. I leave both cameras hooked to my helmet, and then I just plug in a USB-C cable and it charges and transfers both of them. Well, if the GoPro ever freezes, you have to take it out of the mount. And the little mounting legs, or whatever you call them, the little fins that flip off the bottom, they have to be closed to get it out of the media mod. So you have to unscrew it from the helmet, then you have to take off the media mod, and then unconnect the battery, and then put the media mod back on, and then put it back, flip the little flappers down. Okay, I'm already confused. But anyways, it's a process, a really annoying process. So anyways, What's up, bro? You're not gonna wave at me? What's up with that? That's the second day in a row that a crotch rocket right here hasn't waved at me. If I wanted to like regularly rotate some batteries or throw some on chargers and then use them, you'd have to take the screw off, this big fat screw, which I have screwed on with a Phillips screwdriver because I don't want it to move when the wind is blowing, and then fold the little flaps in, and then take it out of the media mod, and then take the battery out. There's a slingshot. Do they count? I mean, I think he has a steering wheel and 2 front wheels, so I don't think you wave at a slingshot. It's like a convertible with a wheel on one wheel in the back. I don't know. I'm not going there. Are there like Jeeps like that? Like certain Jeeps will wave at each other, but if you're in like a Jeep truck, you don't get a wave, or how's that work? I don't know. It's hot, let me tell you. It is hot right now. If anybody's watching this, do you have one of those visors that change color? You know what I mean? Like at night it goes clear and then in the daytime it's dark. Because I want one, but I don't know if it's worth the money. It's like a couple $100, I think. And I'm just wondering if it actually gets dark enough, because like right now I'm almost squinting in my dark visor. And then at night, this visor is no good. Which I do have a clear visor, but sometimes I drive, you know, to work in the dark and home in the clear, so. Hello, daughter.
I love you.
I love you. What's up?
I'm going to Ness's front yard.
Oh, okay. See you later.